If your Rogers Ignite XB6, XB7, or XB8 modem is showing a blinking white light, it usually means it's in boot update in progress mode. This happens when the modem is either starting up after being turned on or installing a firmware update from Rogers. Normally, this process takes about 5 to 15 minutes. Don't unplug the modem during this time, as it can interrupt the update and cause problems. Recent firmware updates, particularly version 7.3.x released in late 2024, have sometimes caused this issue to persist longer than usual, especially on XB8 modems. Rogers has been working to improve the update process and reduce these occurrences. If the blinking white light persists for more than 15 minutes, first try power cycling the modem. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Next, check that all cables are securely connected, especially the coaxial cable. If that doesn't work, try a factory reset by holding the reset button on the back of the modem for 10 to 15 seconds. Be aware that this will erase any custom settings. If the problem continues, use the Rogers app or call 1-888-ROGERS-1 for support. As of November 2025, Rogers has AI-driven diagnostics in their app that can help troubleshoot the issue. Remember to check Rogers' status page at rogers.com/status for any reported outages in your area.